a dolphin. Can you say dolphin? Fantastic! Dolphins are very smart. They love to jump. Splash! Okay, you can actually hear splashing sound. Jump, jump, jump. Can you jump like a dolphin? Shh, be quiet. What is that? Oh, it's flying now. What is flying? It's a bat. Can you say bat? Bat. Wonderful. Bats sleep in the daytime and fly at night. Can you flap your arms like a bat? Who is this? Is this a horse? Is it? Yes, it's a horse. Horse says neigh, neigh. Horses can run very fast. Can you say horse? Horse. Wow! It's an iguana. Can you say iguana? Iguanas love warm sunshine. They have a long tail. Can you see the tail? Can you wiggle like an iguana? Iguana. Let's say together. Iguana. Iguana. Well done. Ooh, who is this coming? It's so slow. It's a snail. Snail. Snails carry their home. Can you see their home? Yes. Oh, we did this in the previous video. Do you remember this animal? It's a hedgehog. Hedgehogs have spiky backs. They roll into a little ball. Have you ever seen a hedgehog? Hedgehog. Let's repeat together. Hedgehog. Can you curl up like a hedgehog? Listen, listen. What's that? Listen, quick. What's that? It's a crow. Crows are very clever birds. They love to fly. Let's pretend to be crow. Ah! Ah! This animal is called lemur. Lemurs love jumping. Jump, jump, jump. Boing. Can you say lemur? Repeat with me. Lemur. Lemur. Can you see this long black and white tail? It looks very nice, right? Lemur. Ooh. Who has this big and beautiful eyes? It's a fox. Foxes have fluffy tails. They are also very clever. Can you wave like a fox? Well done. Let's repeat together. Fox. Fox. Oh, there's a fish there. But what's its name? It's called clownfish. Clownfish. They live in the ocean. They hide in the sea. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Swim, swim, swim. They're beautiful, right? They have this orangey nice color. Clownfish. Clownfish. Listen, listen. What it says? Roar, roar. Well done. It's a tiger. Tiger. Tigers have stripes. They are very, very big cats. Let's roar together. Roar. Roar like a tiger. Great. Oh, look at them. They're very cute. Who are these animals? Quack, 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 quack. They are called ducklings. A duckling is a baby duck. They are little ducks. They love swimming. Let's quack together. Quack, quack, quack. Good job. Aye, it's a turtle. Turtles have hard shells. They move very slowly. They can swim very slowly or fast. They can live in the sea or on the ground. Let's say together, turtle, turtle. Oh, who is that? It's a zebra, black and white stripes. Every zebra has different stripes. Did you know that? Right? Can you say zebra? Zebra. Excellent. Well done.
Yay!